How to make a video collage on Instagram. First, open your Instagram app. Tap on the plus icon at the bottom. Select Reel. Then tap on the camera icon. From the left sidebar, choose the collage option. You can either record a live video or pick clips from your gallery. Tap on gallery. Select the first video. Tap on the gallery again. Now select the second video. When you are done, tap on the check mark. Tap on next. Then tap next again. Your video collage is ready to share. Tap on share. That's it. Your video collage has been posted on your profile.